Hey everyone, my name is Lunga. I'm a comedian, MC, and intuitive life coach. And this is a story all about how I discovered the International School of Intuition and Healing. So I've been on a spiritual journey for quite some time now, but I only really started my healing journey back in 2018. That's when I learned about mental health. As I progressed, I learned that there's a spiritual perspective to almost everything that we face in our lives daily. And sometimes that's where the healing happens, especially when it comes to matters of the heart. Anywho, long story short, so I have a partner who's also on her spiritual healing journey, and we found that we've grown so much because of the patience and the support that we have for each other. That inspired us to look for a community of like-minded people because we understood the power of knowing that there's a safe space to heal. So she did a little Google search, and that's how we came across the International School of Intuition and Healing. And when we checked out their website, we found that the courses are affordable and that the sessions would also be hosted online via Zoom calls. So you can tune in from the comfort of your own home. And I think that's what got us sold. And now, here we are.